it is given a point dipole P equal to minus P naught x cap is kept at origin. Okay, the potential and electric field due to this dipole on the y axis at a distance d are respectively. So he is telling, see, the direction of dipole will be in dipole, the dipole is nothing but two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. Okay, so it is given minus x cap. So he is telling the direction of dipole is like minus, so that we know the direction of dipole will be from minus q minus to plus. Okay, so he is asking the potential and electric field, where the potential and electric field are due to this dipole on y axis at a distance d, on y axis. Okay, this is y axis at distance d, at this point. Let this point is k. Okay, along p, because k is already one constant, 9 into 10 to the power 9, so it will be okay. So at this point he is asking potential at p point, electric field at p point. Okay, so first we will calculate potential. See, the potential at point p will be k into, due to this charge q, sign is positive, so positive, divided by distance between this. What will be the distance? This distance is d, this from origin to plus q, consider distance a. Okay, this is also a from origin to this charge, so this will be a square plus d square. Okay, so distance is a square plus d square. Due to this minus cube, minus k cube divided by this distance, same root over of a square plus d square. See, this term will be 0. Okay, this will cancel 0, so potential at point p will be 0. So answers will be either B or C. Okay, so second thing, we'll calculate electric field at point P. So let me change the color of my pen. Okay, see, due to this positive charge, electric field at point P will be outside. Okay, so while calculating electric field, the electric field due to positive charge, it will be outward from that point, and due to negative charge, it will be inward to the negative charge. Okay, so this is negative charge, so electric field direction will be somewhat here. Okay, consider this charge as first one, this charge 2, so this is E due to 2, this is E due to 1. Okay, so see, if this is making angle theta, this will also make theta, equal charges. Okay, so see, the resultant of E1 E2 will be in this direction somewhat. Okay, so if this is making theta, this is making theta, so it will be theta, this is also theta. See, this is E net, this is E1, this is theta, this is also theta, E2. See, if we will resolve the component for E1, this one will be E1 cos theta, and that perpendicular component here will be sin theta, E1 sin theta. Okay, for same E2, this will be E2 cos theta, horizontal component, and vertical component will be E2 sin theta. Okay, see, these two vectors are in opposite direction. Okay, so this this will be cancelled. Okay, if you will calculate value of E1 and E2, if you will put here, it will like plus and minus, it will going to 0. So E net will be E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. E1 cos theta plus E2 cos theta. So now we have to find the value of E1 and E2 and cos theta. Okay, so what is the value of E1? Value of E1 will be due to plus Q charge, K into Q by R square. R means distance between this charge to this point, which is A square plus D square. Okay, see, due to minus Q charge also, the direction will be different but the magnitude will be same. Okay, so from this two triangle we can calculate cos theta, which is base by hypotenuse. Base is A, hypotenuse is A square plus D square. Okay, so we're gonna put E1 E2 same, so we can write 2 E cos theta plus E cos theta, it will be 2 E cos theta. Okay, 2 into E is K into Q divided by A square plus D square. Okay, and the value of cos theta is A divided by A square plus D square. See, we made one mistake. The value of electric field is KQ by R square, this one square. Okay, which like if we will square, then this root over term will eliminate. So we need to solve this one. See, 2KQ into A divided by, see, if you will omit root over, then this will be A square plus D square to the power half. We can write half, and this power is 1, so half plus 1 will be 3 by 2. Okay, 3 by 2. See, I'm writing here. See, this P term, what is dipole? Dipole is charge into distance between them. Distance between them is what? From 0 to from this Q to origin A, from origin to this A plus A, 2A. Okay, so 2QA we can write as P. Okay, 2 into Q into A we can write as P. Okay, what is the value of K? 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, I've written. And see, A square plus D square to the power 3 by 2. See, in these cases the distance with A is much smaller than the D. Okay, so A will be always very less than D. So we can, from in this equation we can omit D. Okay, so what will be the A square will be tends to 0, then D square to the power, see, D square to the power 3 by 2, then 2 will cancel, dq will be there. See, this one, C is correct. Okay.